Hi, this is Mark at Dingdong's Garden. This is Seckel Pear. It is a small European pear that was actually discovered in the United States about 200 years ago. In Philadelphia, I think. It's very tiny. It resembles some of the Asian pears on trees where I forgot to thin the fruit. Very small, very round. And it's got a really nice color to it. This kind of deep brown maroon color, if you can see it there. The fruit is already dropping on the ground here, so I know we're ready to harvest. But before I do that, let's just take one off the tree and we'll see how it tastes. It is a very pretty color. The sugar content on that is really high. It is definitely sweeter than a typical pear. That is a really good taste. Some of the leaves here show a little bit of disease, but the plant was healthy enough for most of the season to produce this amount of fruit. It is a very small tree. We pruned this back heavily last year after we got fruit. And ever since then, we've been we just let it fruit at the bottom there, so it's very easy to pick. And then we'll actually prune it above the fruit line here again this winter. This Seckel pear comes in around the same time as Orchis pear or Bartlett, or if you measure things in terms of apples or Asian pears, it comes in around the same time as Otago Asian pear or Honeycrisp apple. For us here in the Maritime Pacific Northwest, that's mid-September, just before the official start of fall. But for you, if you live south of us, which is pretty much most of the United States, if you live in a hotter area, you're probably going to get this fruit a little earlier. This is Seckel Pear. It's a cute little pear that's super sweet. And it comes in mid-season around the start of fall for us here. What a nice little pear.